What's good, Good Inc fam? Welcome back to another video. Today we are doing another Good Inc membership meetup. Today we're collaborating with our friends at Cars Coffee Sacramento to do a collaborative photo meetup with cars and dope photographers. It's been a while. We've actually collaborated with them back in 2017, so it's been a while, but it'll be good to get back, connect with them, just to get to do something different. We have some models coming, our usual photographers. Should be a good crew. Should be a lot of cool cars. I'm not a big car guy, so I don't know a lot about the cars, but it should be cool, man. A bunch of cool looking cars. Our photographers, models as well. We should be able to create some dope content and have some fun while doing it. So I'm going to share as much as I can here, try to share some of the cars and our group kind of interacting with that. But hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Let's get it. All right, guys, that's a wrap for another Good Inc membership meetup. Really cool turnout. Happy with everything. Cool cars. All the photographers were awesome. Cool models. The space was absolutely dope. The theme that I was kind of hoping for, I think definitely turned out. So it went really well. Happy about it. Looking forward to doing more stuff, more membership meetups, more road trips in the near future. Stay tuned for a lot more coming from Good Inc. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.